Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to improve audio record quality using Dolby On application on Samsung Galaxy XCOVER 7. Firstly, go to Play Store and look for Dolby On. Install the app. Now click Open. You can skip this, not now. No thanks. Now you can go to Recording. Click this icon while using the app. And again, now you can just click this icon again, and it's going to start a recording. You can stop this. Alright, got it. Now in the bottom left corner, click this icon. Now you can see the track that I have just now recorded. Click it, and you can either see the raw video, how it would have looked like and how it would have sounded like without the application. And if you click this, you can see it's written that Dolby difference compare recording with and without Dolby sound. That's all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, leave them in the comments.